And yeah, welcome back to Funk Blue. I am Tenzin Gopal. People call me TG. I'm a sound visual artist, and today we are going to again have a very short video on how to use the selection tool. It's very simple, and if you have not watched my previous videos, please do. It will come in handy in order to progress your work and to make the processes a little bit more easier. And yes, if you like what I am sharing, do follow my social pages and for music and podcast under the name Mix Masala with TG. And if anyone is interested in learning art and doing actual paintings and sculptures and working with clay, you can also email me at tenzingopal@gmail.com, and I do give private classes. All right, without talking too much, we will head back. We will go back and we will start with something new. Okay, all right. So, selection tool again. Um, you either press V or you select here, as it clearly mentions with the name, selection tool. So, you select something. So, imagine that, okay, for an example, let's say I draw something maybe. Right, now I have the selection tool. If I go over, and remember I just used a brush tool, okay, so it's a very random, and if I want to select somewhere, then yeah, see, it selects this entire enclosed path. All right, and then you can also select, there is this small point called anchor, which are like the main points for maybe the curvature or ending points or the beginning points, and you can select, and then yeah. Or the other thing is also, let's say we draw a straight line. In that also the selection tool can happen, and then with selection tool you can also enlarge the object according to you. You can basically drag it and place it wherever you want, and you have this guideline, this guide box, right, to show you the size and everything, so you can click and then you can enlarge it if you want. So all this comes with the selection tool. All right, and there are certain keys that usually is associated with the almost all of the tools, that is shift, control and alt. All right, so let's see what happens if we select alt. Okay, we'll make a different shape, so that it will be a little easier for you to see what selection tools can do. All right, we have this, maybe we fill up a color. I really love cyan blue, so I'm going to go with this. Maybe we have a border. We'll thicken the border so you can see. All right, okay. So now, as you can see, we have highlighted this, the border. As you can see, there's a path showing and a highlighted line indicating that the stroke is being selected. So we again go back to selection tool, and then now you can see, right, if I select this, let's color this maybe something different, maybe purple. I like purple. Is this purple or violet? I think it's violet, right? Yeah, this is purple, so we'll do little violet. I love this color. So getting carried away, artists are usually like this. They start with something, and they try to have scripts, but then they tend to go off tracks. That's all right, because it's my video, and I'm sure you are also enjoying my gossips. So again, with selection tool, you see, so I can take this, take that, and a very interesting and a very useful trick is you press alt, and then suddenly you have this double arrow coming up on your selected object. What that means is now you can actually replicate the same shape again, and voila. You see, let's try the same thing with this shape also. I press alt and then I send it here. Okay, and there are, so imagine that, you know, I keep this in front and I keep it here. Now as you can see, some objects are coming in front and some objects are going behind, right? So how can we do that? You see, for certain things the software automatically by default places, you know, the objects according to its making, but we can also choose, you know, whether we want the object to be in front or backward. So let's say we'll keep this maybe in the middle so that you can get, so this is like most behind, you know, and this is in the middle and this is on top. So what we do is we select the object. All right, we are only using the selection tool, guys. So we select the tool and then you have some options here. All right, so you can undo, move, isolate selected path, group, join, average, make clip masking, make compound path, make guides, transform, arrange, and select. So imagine like if I selected this entire thing, all right, and now I want to select the bottommost object. So I go and I select and I say last object below. Okay, so now when I select this object and then I say alright, arrange, I want it to be forward, and now it's in between these two, right? And now I want again this purple box to come in front, so I say bring forward. Yeah, or imagine that, okay, we'll have this maybe in a different color. Right, we'll maybe make it green so that you can see. Okay, again this is you know, on the back, and you again press your right of your mouse and then you have all these options, and then again you go back and you say bring to front. So bring to front will directly bring it on the topmost layer. Now you have these two boxes, two shapes, you know, square shapes, which were behind previously and now are brought in front, right? And yes, now let's say we want to bring this forward, so we go and we say okay, bring forward. Now we have this forward. All right, and that's how you can like kind of work yourself with different layers, because in almost all of the digital artwork platforms, they work on the idea of layers. Yeah, like onion layers, instead of being rounded, it's more like, you know, it's stacked on top of each other, so it's pretty much like collage, I would say. And yeah, and with selection tool you can do a lot more, and then you can select everything, you know, click your left button mouse and then you select everything. So you when whatever is selected, everything will highlight, you know. So you see everything is highlighted, here is also highlighted, here is also highlighted. And we can group these together. So what happens, okay, I'm zooming out, which is you press alt and then you scroll in for zooming in, and scroll backward for zooming out. So if you select everything and I say group, then what happens is now whenever I select something, everything is selected, and then I can move these objects around, right? And it becomes especially useful when you have a lot of different shapes together, and then you can also minimize it, so then everything is being, you know, proportionately minimized, and then you can drag here and there. And then the other cool thing is also that, you know, if you want to um, let's say you have a lot of things that you are working on and you want to just work on the specific object or shape, you just double click and then it gives you a isolated preview, isolation mode as it is shown here, so that all the other objects are like there, but then it won't get disturbed because you are just working on a specific object, right? And then you can do whatever you want, right? We'll make it this small. Okay, and then you press again, double click, and then voila, you have again, you see how. So what you can do to, if you feel like, okay, I want to ungroup them again, you just go, uh, you select, right, because it's already grouped, so you just go back, select, and then you say ungroup. And by ungroup, now when I want to select something, it's not grouped, it's selecting individually. All right, so yes people, thank you for watching, and this is a short video for few options about what you can do with the selection tool. All right, see you in the next video, and if you liked what you learned about the selection tool, give a thumbs up, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. And also visit my other pages. Um, it is all made for you. All right, cheers and have a good day. Bye bye.